Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to pay bill on Cricket Wireless. So if you also want to pay bill on Cricket Wireless, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in www.cricketwireless.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Cricket. You can see several options over here. You can see the option for phones and devices, plans, more, etc. At top also, you'll be able to find several options. You can find the option for find a store, coverage, pay bill, activate, help, sign in. In order to get a smoother experience, you need to be signed into your account. So make sure to sign into your account. So paying the bill on Cricket Wireless is very simple. All you have to do is click on the option pay bill that you can see right over here. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to quick pay your bill. You can pay any amount of your bill quickly by entering the Cricket phone number. If you do not know how much you owe, Cricket Wireless can also text your balance to your phone. Scroll down a bit. Now what you have to do is enter your Cricket phone number. Simply click on this box that you can see right over here. Now enter your Cricket phone number. Now simply enter the amount to pay. If you're not sure about how much you owe, simply click on the option text my balance. After that, you'll receive your balance to your phone. After entering your Cricket phone number and amount to pay, simply click on the option make a payment that you can see right over here. After you click on the option make a payment, you'll have to log into your account. After you log into your account, your payment will be done. So that is how you pay bill on Cricket Wireless. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.